Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in Paginated reports. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI index, and integration services. So now we'll go to the Paginated reports. There you can understand today's video demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report on them. So here already I have created the data source. Here we can see that test is the data source and this is the data set. Even in my last videos I have explained how to create the data source as well as the data set. Even I explain how to publish this Paginated report into Power BI service also. So please try to watch if you did not watch so far. Okay, so for today's demo purpose I'm using this data set. I'll try to show you what kind of data I'm using here. So we can see that this is the query so I'm using for today's demo purpose. Even you can check what are the fields like ship mode, segment, the city, state. So all the fields I'm using in today's report purpose. Okay, and here so I'm taking the table visible. Okay, so if you go to insert, we can see that different types of report items. Okay, so out of all I'm taking the table. So in this table I'm taking region column name as well as country, state, city. So in sales amount. Okay, so in sales amount I'm trying to take one more report item, that is gas. Okay, so if we click on here we can see that different types of radial or linear is there. For timing I'm taking this one. So going forward I'll try to explain each and every step so in the future videos. So for timing I'm just using this one only. So click on OK. So I think revert back because I have done some kind of formatting, different options I have enabled for this one. So we'll try to see the run the report. So I just ran the report. So here if you notice for the country column, so for the region this is the city, this is the I think I need to change. Here I have taken the state column, unfortunately by mistake. Let me change it to state. Okay, so let me run it one more time. So now you can see that this is the country, region, state and city. So here we can see that what is the sales amount. Okay, in this row, so what is the sales amount? 3813. So here based on the sales amount I'm dynamically giving some color. If the sales amount is more means I'm trying to display one color. If the sales amount is less than something means it's like based on the sales amount I'm trying to display the different colors. See, you can see that so here one color, here one color, so likewise. Okay, it gives the dynamic way. Okay, so even you can export this reports to the different formats. Like if you go to export, you can see that so this is the PDF format. Let me do that. So it's exporting. So basically it will take time, the number of records that are there. So click on save. Now I'll try to open. So here let me double click it. Now you can see now. So like this we can create different types of report with different visualizations. Okay, now you can see it looks good. So easily you can understand by doing analysis. Okay, so in this row, so this is the sales amount, here this is the sales amount. So based on color also we can identify whether the sales amount is more or less. Okay, so let me go to the report builder. So go back to the design. So likewise, so we can create different types of reports on the So going forward, I'll try to explain different scenarios. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.